7 confident female attitudes that drive men crazy. Men are drawn to confident women because confidence is sexy. You've probably heard that a lot. If you're serious about starting to exude real confidence and drive men wild, it's time to start thinking about mindsets, thoughts, and feelings that result in a strong persona that people can notice right away. Let's talk about 7 attributes that can help you become the desirable feminine mystique even if you lack confidence. 1. Even though I can do it on my own, it'll be more fun if you do it. Men will run away from you if you come across as being very strong. You'll be left wondering why as they flee for the hills. If you've been too strong for too long, I think it's time to finally let loose a little. Simply put, neither he nor you are perfect. Men also like to have a strong sense of self-worth and the ability to support you. Since they're unable of handling a woman who is too strong for them, they become terrified of her. But pause for a moment and ask yourself why you would want to do everything on your own when it might be far more enjoyable to occasionally rely on others. It's a blessing to have someone there for you when you're not feeling well, and the man will feel needed and valued as a result. He desires for you to feel secure around him. 2. Even though I don't need you, I find you fascinating. There are 2 sides to this attraction. You come across as strong on the one hand. You don't need a partner who will take care of you. You're happy on your own, able to discover the joy in life without a relationship that defines you, and you make a good living on your own. Many guys feel challenged by this because it presents a very strong persona and they'll fight harder to win your favor. On the other side, you can also give your partner the unique gift of discovering something fascinating about him. Men don't want to be pursued because of their professions, wealth, or even appearance. They want to be adored for their levels of intelligence and valued as the men they are on the inside. Because of this, expressing interest in him as a person is such a powerful piece of attraction. You like him because of the way he thinks, not because of what he does for you. A man will inherently be drawn to a woman who, although being highly sought after by numerous other men, only expresses a great interest in one particular man who stands out from the crowd. And he discovers that the more focus he gives you, the more interest you express in his personality. Knowing he performs better than all the other men competing for your attention is a strong attractant. 3. I put my trust in you because I like you that much. Men love to feel special, so if he senses that you care about him enough to devote time and effort to maintain him, he'll become even more captivated by you. The fact is that males hate any form of competition. If he observes you online or in person flirting with other men, he'll distance himself from you because, just like you, he prefers to be a priority over an option. 4. I am sure of what I want. Too many women have a pessimistic outlook on life and even speak negatively to other people. Men don't want to hear that you're quitting the dating scene, that you're sick of competing, or that all you're seeking is a great guy who'll treat you well. No matter how ugly, attractive, wealthy, rational, or insane a man may be, anyone can relate to these cliches. A man, however, does not want to believe that he was fortunate, that he was the right guy at the right time. His goal is to feel unique. He wants to get the impression that you have very high standards for the qualities you want in a man. You're not easily impressed. You're not just trying to find any good guy. You're looking forward to meeting the perfect man. The most attractive man and the one who lives up to your strict standards. Not just any man, you're actually searching for the one. Any man might be a good match for you. He is not, however, a good enough man for you to change your life for the better. And the funny thing is that most women don't fully comprehend this. They bring negativity to chats with their friends, or worse yet, on their dates, as they complain about the lack of decent guys in the world. You demean yourself by being a passive observer of life and a woman who can't manage to find a quality partner despite her best attempts. You emanate insecurity and vulnerability. These are not the characteristics of a desirable woman. So, being picky is the best approach to start changing your attitude. Stop accepting any and all invitations. Take satisfaction in the fact that you have to reject men because they're a little too ordinary. It's your life, and you deserve a man who is unique and a hero in every way. This is what makes her the most attractive woman of them all. 5. Pressure isn't required. There's no need to force someone to do anything they do not want to do. You must relax and chill because everything will fall into place, and stressing over something will not make it better. Men adore a woman who can relax and enjoy the trip. The secret to keeping him committed to you for life is to put no pressure on him to do something that is not in your best interests. 6. I'm in love with myself. You know those fears you have? Throw them away since they have no reason to be insecure. You're one of a kind. There is no one else like you, and that is what attracts guys to you. Your man will adore you for who you are because you see your own beauty and can love yourself. He'll get down on his knees for a woman who understands her worth. 7. You're not only afraid of commitment, you'd rather your man be free, independent, and uncontrollable. Another important lesson that many women overlook is this one, particularly after having sex and as a relationship moves toward intimacy. Motherly instincts take over and place an excessive amount of emphasis on a man's flaws rather than promoting his independence. A woman who is confident does not struggle with insecurity, thus she is not driven to manage, control, or otherwise improve a man. She promotes his independence. She doesn't restrict his feelings or thoughts. She's drawn to the man he is and his powerful presence. The exact man she was initially drawn to would be destroyed if she tried to bug him, change him, fight with him, or limit him in any way. Men clearly see this mentality since they feel more powerful, independent, and able to express themselves when such a woman is around. More significantly, they're not under any obligation to commit. All they experience in this relationship are its bright points, the joyous spirit and desire to spend time together without obligations, the growing attraction and curiosity between two self-assured people. The sheer fact that you are anxious about settling down and getting married will have the opposite effect on him. He will grow more and more jealous as he realizes how fantastic chemistry the two of you have while still competing with other guys for your attention. He now has the incentive to propose to you, or at the very least meet you halfway, such as moving in with you or going exclusive. When he senses a stronger attraction, he moves further. He's eager to prove his worth now that he thinks you've qualified him as a serious bachelor. He's working hard to hold your attention and build your interest in him. Well, that's all for today. Thanks for watching.